Imagine the power of owning a store that never closes, reaches millions of customers worldwide, and requires minimal overhead. Welcome to the world of online selling. This realm holds immense potential, allowing you to sell anything, anytime, anywhere. With low operational costs, you can maximize profits while reaching a global audience. The beauty of online entrepreneurship lies in its flexibility. Whether you're a night owl or a daydreamer, your online store caters to customers round the clock. And the best part? There are online entrepreneurs out there just like you, who are already earning upwards of $10,000 per month. So, are you ready to claim your piece of the pie? Intrigued? Let's dive into how you can start your own online journey with a platform like Shopify. Shopify, a leading e-commerce platform, is your gateway to owning a digital marketplace akin to Amazon. This platform is designed to make the process of setting up your online store as simple and intuitive as possible. So, let's jump right in and get your store up and running. First things first, you'll need to sign up for a Shopify account. It's a fairly straightforward process. You provide some basic information and choose your store name. Remember, this name is going to represent your brand, so choose wisely. Once that's done, you'll be introduced to the dashboard, your control center. Here, you'll customize your online store to reflect your brand's personality. Shopify offers a variety of themes and layouts to choose from, everything to make your store as unique as your products. After the customization, it's time to add your products. You can add product details, images, prices, and more. You decide what your customers see and how they see it. Next, you'll set up your payment and shipping methods. Shopify supports a wide range of payment gateways and offers flexible shipping options, giving your customers a smooth checkout experience. And there you have it. After a final review, you can launch your store to the world. And voila, you are now the proud owner of an online store. Remember, the journey to success starts with the first step, and you've just taken it. So, you've learned about the vast potential of online selling and how to set up your own online store on Shopify. Let's quickly recap. Embracing online entrepreneurship can empower you to reach a global customer base and generate significant income. With the right approach, you might even find yourself earning an impressive $10,000 per month. As for setting up your store, remember that Shopify simplifies the process with its user-friendly interface and a wealth of customizable features. It's your one-stop solution for creating a platform that rivals even Amazon. The link to Shopify is in the description below. Embark on your online selling journey now and unlock endless possibilities. Remember, the world is your marketplace.